Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve File Explorer is not highlighting selected files and folders on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to restart File Explorer. Okay, so kung paano ba natin gawin yan? So dito lang sa taskbar ng ating computer ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung Task Manager. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa Task Manager, dito lang sa Processes. And then next ay kailangan lang natin hanapin dito yung Windows Explorer. So scroll down lang tayo dito sa baba. Right. And then next, select mo lang itong Windows Explorer. So right click ka lang dito. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong restart, okay? So, i-click mo lang tong restart. Alright? So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin ditong Task Manager, ay dito lang sa Start menu, so right-click ka lang. And then, select mo lang dito yung Run, ito siya. Dito sa Run, and dito lang sa box, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na power cfg and then .cpl, okay? So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na power cfg.cpl and then click mo lang to OK. And then, automatic na madadirect tayo dito sa control panel home ng Power Options. Okay? So, ang next step dito lang sa left side ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung choose what the power buttons do. Yung pinaka-una lang, so i-click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change settings that are currently unavailable. Okay? So, i-click mo lang yan. And then next, dito sa baba, dito lang sa shutdown settings, ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck itong turn on fast startup. So, uncheck mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang itong save changes. Okay? Alright. So, ang last solution na pwede natin gawin ay cross lang natin dito. And then, dito lang sa search menu. And then, type mo lang dito yung CND. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. So, dito sa Administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. So, yung /scan now ay one word yan. So, i-type mo lang yung sfc space / scan now and then press mo lang yung enter. Alright, so makikita mo dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. Kailangan lang natin hintayin ito na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-fix ang File Explorer not highlighting selected files and folders issue. Okay, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.